let's make another cute gift card. And I've already taped down my piece of scrap paper. It's sort of a little rectangle. To get started, I'm going to take a circle. This is an empty roll of washi tape. And I'm going to place it down in the lower part and draw a little circle around it. Boom. Now I am going to take a little of this opera pink color I have here and make a very, very pale wash. I've been seeing a lot of Christmas cards with this pale pink on them, and I think it just looks very pretty. And that taped edge is going to make it look really nice and crisp. So I'm going to dry that, and then we will get on to the rest. Now I'm going to take a piece of washi tape, and I'm going to put it right across the middle here. Boom. Right, press it down really well, and then whatever you want your Christmas ornament to be. I think I want mine to be red. And make it really strong, just very little water, and I'm going to go right around the edge of my circle. I'm using paper that's a little different than I usually use. This is hot press paper, which is smooth watercolor paper. It doesn't have that texture like normal watercolor paper, so it works a little differently, and I think the colors are a little brighter on it. Now I'm going to go and just smooth that edge, blend it in toward the center, not with more paint, but with water. There we go. And now we're going to dry that. I think I want a little brighter red, so I'm going to put on another layer of red and do the same thing again. Just a second coat. All right, and you can see it's darker at the edges and lighter in the middle. That's going to help give this Christmas ball the appearance of roundness. Will be the shading around the outside edge. Alrighty, now we're going to take off this piece of tape, and I'm going to put two new pieces on. One right here. I'm going to press it down very firmly, and one right here. This time I'm going to take my green. I'm using a pretty phthalo green. And I'm going to do on this edge, and then blend it toward the middle with water. I think I want a little darker. While it's wet, I can add a little more in there. And then I won't have to paint a second coat like I did with the red. Alrighty. Now we're going to dry that. Let's take off this masking tape. Oh, and we have a striped Christmas ornament. Got a little bit of red that came out over the edge here. I can just take a rough brush and clear water and scrub it very lightly, and it works like an eraser. It's gone away. Next thing I'm going to do is take my gold Posca marker, and I'm going to make a gold line right here. Isn't that pretty? Just to zhuzh it up a little bit. And then you can do whatever you want in the center line. I think it would be pretty to put some stars. Let's do that. I like this little card because you can pop out a bunch of them pretty quickly and get a lot of cute Christmas gift cards done in a short period of time, but they're all handmade and they all look great. Now, take this gold, make the top, a little loop. If you want, you can add maybe a little fir branch or something at the top. Let's see how that would look. I'll just take some more of this phthalo green, and I'm going to make a little line, and then little lines coming off of it. And I think I want a red bow at the top. When you switch these colors, make sure the red and green are really mixed out of your brush, because they will turn to sort of a mud color if they're mixed together. So let's put a little bow right here. That's cute. There we go. And here's the part where we make it fancy. I'm going to take my gold paint pen. I'm going to go straight up like it's hanging from this gold thread. And that gold is going to become my border around the edge of this pink background. And there you go. Isn't that cute? I hope you'll try it at home, and I hope you'll give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I've been on a kick doing lots of Christmas cards. I also hope that you will go visit my Amazon store, where I sell all the watercolor supplies that I like, because a lot of people ask me what kind of brush you use, what kind of paper, and they are all on there. So thanks for watching, and let me know if you make a Christmas ball gift card. Thanks. Bye-bye.